Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about two products that I have in front of me here from Elle. So my name is Ruby, but my channel name is at J Sparkle Makeup. So if you don't check my channel out, please do check out my channel. Turn on notification bell. When I do upload a video, you can be notified. So today you guys, let's talk about these two products that I have here, and I have high hopes for them, but as for me, they never really work out for me. So let's talk about it. If you want to see, continue watching, my friend. Okay, so the first one I have here is the Elf Putty Bronzer. So it comes into something like this. And I also have the Putty Blush, you guys. So these are the two products that I have here that I want to talk about. So the Putty bronzer come into a box like this, just like how the other rest, like the Putty blush, and also this one here that I have for my Putty color corrector. And I want to say that Elf product, I do love their product. They have some really nice product, but let me talk about this too. So this one, let's talk about this one today. First, this one is the Putty bronzer, and this is what I have, you guys. They said to use it with your finger and gently on the cheekbone and the forehead. So this is what I have here. Now I do try this bronzer, you guys. This is the bronzer. I do try it, but I'm not really happy with the bronzer. I tried it with a brush, I tried it with my finger, and to me it didn't perform the way how I expected to perform. This one was like the darkest shade I have when I went there to get it, and I like bronzer, I like blush, I like highlighter. So this is how it look on the back of my hand, but then if I try to apply it to my face, it look completely different. Now I don't want this to look good on the back of my hand, and then when I try to apply it on my face, it's look a little bit lighter. It's supposed to look the same way how it look on my hand and my cheek here, but I didn't get that from this bronzer. So for me, I am not happy with it, but I already bought it. I will have to find a way how to use it. It's very moisturizing. It have like a oily moisturizing consistent, but I'm not really happy with this product, you guys, from Elf. So I mean, maybe if I was more lighter, then I would like it, because when you put in a bronzer, you want to see whether a liquid bronzer or a cream bronzer, you just want to see that bronzer pop on your cheek, and this wasn't popping on my cheek. So you know, so I also have their Putty blush, which they have more of a darker shade, but I choose this one here. And I also tried this, and I'm gonna apply it to my hand here and show you how it look. I should have get the more reddish color. So this is it, and if I try to apply it here, it show, but you know, it's not how I like my blush to be. My blush, when I bought blush, I like that blush to have this really pop on my cheek. So I'm not happy with this color either of the blush. I think I should have got something more redder, and I think I'm gonna get the other redder color than this one. This one really, it's like it is a cream blush, but it's more of not what I expect it to be. So if you see, I put it here, I do apply it on my cheek here. You can see, because I have on a blush separate, so I don't know, but you can see here how it look on my cheek. So these are the two products that I picked up, and I am not really happy how they look. the cream blush and the bronzer. This bronzer was the darkest one, so I chose the darkest one, and I thought, okay, it will work properly. So the next time I'm going to use this, I did use a brush, so they said to use your fingers. So the next time I'm going to use this bronzer, I'm going to make sure that I use my finger to apply it to my cheek and see how it does perform on my cheek. But as for today, it doesn't perform properly on the cheek because I use a brush. And even if I use a brush, I use one of those flat brush, which is this one here. This is the flat brush that I use to apply it here. It never performed how I need it to perform. So I have to go in, and this is from Remo. It's a concealer, but because it is very dark, I try to use this more as a bronzer than a concealer, because I don't like to have my under eye so dark. So you can see it here. This one is from Remo, the concealer, and the the bronzer here is also from Elf, this one here. So you can see the difference, like you can hardly see what coming out. Let me get something to take out a bit because I don't want this thing to go underneath my nails. Okay, so even if I use this brush here, you can see the consistency of it. It doesn't look as how I expect it to look. Somebody with a with a more lighter shade, I think this would be good for them, but because of my complexion, I think this wouldn't work for me. So I am going to retry it, revisit it, and see how it looks. So I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you, and I hope you do enjoy my videos, and please remember to connect with me, you guys. Follow me and subscribe and turn on notification bell. So I will see you guys in my next upload. God bless you. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.